Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data in Jotform Tables. So first, all you have to do is head over to jotform.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, we're going to start by clicking on the Create button and we're just going to choose table. And from the options, we're just going to choose import data to convert an existing CSV or XLSX file. So just click on it and we're just going to start uploading our Excel file. Choose your Excel file and open it. And from here, you'll have a preview of what's inside the file so you can edit or customize and check that everything is good. Then once done, just head over and proceed by clicking on Import Data. And as you can see, our Excel data is now imported on Jotform tables. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!